Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how we can develop the blockchain dev faucet app using Solana framework. Okay, so here I have used a small HTML code and with a script section using the Solana web3.js file. So I have included the Solana web3.js library, and this is the output of the whatever I have written the code in the HTML file, and this is the output of that. So here we have two form elements. So one is the input box and second one is the drop down. The input box is the responsible to hold the wallet address of any wallet. So you can say public key of wallet, and next how much amount we can transfer to the other designated wallet address. So in my case I'm using the backpack wallet. So let me quickly show you how I'm capturing, how I'm taking the public key of a backpack wallet. You can have it the backpack wallet. I have already credentials with the backpack wallet. You can also sign in and you can get the credentials. So if you observe here, I have 57.65 dollar. Okay, in the earlier transactions. Now I'm copying my wallet address. Okay, now I'm dropping a certain solo. Just assume, just make sure. Right now I have the 57.651. So let me drop it. So I've just pasted my public wallet key here, and I'm selecting the solo currency, 0.1 point 0.1 solo currency, and let me inspect for you so that I can show it to you. There will be a transaction, so I will show you to you how the transaction will be. I'm clicking on the drop. So yeah, we have successfully dropped our zero point 0.1 solo to the respective wallet. Now we will cross check whether it is dropped to my backpack wallet address or not. Let me quickly log in it. So boom, here you can see the dollar currency was changed, which means earlier it is something solo, now it was updated to 2.9 solo. So this was successfully transferred to this wallet, whatever the currency we have selected. So next we have a Solana Explorer where we can get the information of the transactions and public keys. Okay, so right now whatever the transaction I have done it in the Dev Faucet app, I have just copied and pasted it in the Solana Explorer. So here cool, here you can see the meta information of the particular token, which date it was transferred, and how much amount it was transferred. This is pretty cool information we can get on basis on the transaction. Okay, so we can also get the information of our keys as well, where you can paste the public key of your wallet and you will get the information related to your wallet. Now we will quickly go through our code and we'll see how we have used our using HTML file and our including the web3.js library. Okay, so here I have used one input text box, so which is responsible to hold the wallet address, and next I have included the drop down select list, so which I have hard coded the some static values like 0 0.1 0 0.2 and 0.3 solo. And the next we have included the one web3.js dependency of Solana. Okay, so this particular dependency script file you can get it from the Solana documentation. You have to mention it in the script section, you have to include it in dependency. Okay, so we have a button called a drop button. On click of that a drop button we are triggering a function. So in this function we are implementing the actual logic. So on line number 80, which is responsible to hold the wallet address whatever you are typing in the box, so that actually getting that value and storing it in here. And next the same goes for the drop down value, which is 0 0.1 and 0 0.2 and 0.3 solo currency. And after that line number 82 is the important, where am I'm extracting the two functions, you can say two parts from the Solana Web3 library. One is connection and one is the public key. So on line number 84, this connection is helps me to establish the connection between to my web application to the DevNet environment of Solana. And next, whatever the wallet address, I'm converting to in a public key object. Once that is done, I have created in a function. Okay, inside that function I'm calling in a request airdrop method. So from the connection I'm calling in a request airdrop method. This request airdrop method has two parameters. One is public key object, which is we have converted input wallet address to public key object, and next one is how much solo currency we have selected. So once this request airdrop is called, then this will be responsible to transfer the designated wallet to the how much currency you want to transfer. So this will transfer these many currency to your designated wallet address. Once that is done, it will I'm just purposefully printing the transaction, so we will get the transaction in the response. Okay, so after that if you have a transaction, I'm just printing the alert, so you have successfully dropped solo, and alert will be shown in that. So this is the function will be called at the end of script. This is the pretty I have developed using in the HTML file. You can also develop using your any framework. You can say front end framework, Angular, React, or Vue.js. Okay, so I will drop the GitHub URL in the in the comment section. Okay, so you can get it from there, and I will also drop in a whatever the deployed URL in the comment section, so you guys can go through it and can implement. If you have any queries, you can comment, you can ping it in the comment section. Okay, so thanks